Mark Jude Patiño, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering from Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Maragondon Campus, batch 2018. I am now a professional mechanical engineer and a registered master plumber. Currently, I serve as the Building Administration Officer of SM Center Las Piñas, and I'm also the sole proprietor of Shipsold Engineering Services. After PUP, felt like finally standing up on my own. It marked the beginning of making my own decisions and taking full responsibility in my chosen path. Tinuruan ako ng PUP hindi lamang sa academics, kundi hinubog nito ang aking pagkatao. Sa PUP, natuto ako ng critical thinking, maging adaptive, maging resourceful, lalong-lalo na maging resilient. Hanggang sa ngayon, nagagamit ko yung mga natutunan ko sa PUP sa pang-araw-araw na pagtahak sa aking karera, profesyon. Being a PUP student really shaped me as a person. Natuto ako maging disciplined, humble, and mas naging aware ako sa realities ng buhay. Natuto ako maging matatag at hindi basta-basta sumuko. Naging mas adaptable ako, resourceful, and solution-oriented na napaka-importante sa mga workplace. Yung experiences ko sa PUP helped me build a strong foundation, not just for my career, but for who I am today. I am really proud and grateful that I've graduated from PUP Maragondon Campus. PUP yan ako, tagumpay ako.